Alright guys, this is my puddle light install. Excuse the rain. My 2019 F250. They come out when the door is open. When the door is shut, they go off. That's on unlock mode. Hold on, let me get my key. I started just for good measure. Shut the door, and they go out. If you want to see an install video, go down in the comments. Like I said, open the door, they go on. Very simple. Very, very simple install. The connector is down on the frame. Very simple to do. Works on both sides. Let me unlock the door. Shut this door. Excuse the rain, guys. It's freaking raining horribly out here. So here's the truck. Switchback mirrors. Let's open the door. There we go. Lights up the ground nice. Looks good. Like I said, it's not a kit I bought. It's universal. Pretty easy to hook up. The connectors are literally right on the frame where it needs to be. It's practically plug and play. Spoiler, if you want to see this video install, write down in the comments. Both sides, vent badges, multiple colors. But guys, I'm gonna cut this video short. I'm getting soaked out here. I installed it today, and I wanted to show you guys. It literally looks really nice when you see it. Camera really doesn't do it much justice. Comes down when the doors are open, goes out when the doors are shut, and only comes on when you hit the unlock button. Alright guys, like I said, write down in the comments if you want to see more, or see how I installed those with the vent lighting.